Are you planning to move in or around Omaha, Nebraska? Today, we'll break down everything you need to know about full-service movers and how to choose the best team for your next move. Let's dive in. A full-service move means that your moving company handles every step of the process, from packing up your belongings to loading, transporting, unloading, and even unpacking. Unlike a DIY move where you do everything yourself, full-service movers in Omaha take care of the heavy lifting and ensure that your belongings are moved safely and efficiently. The cost of a full-service move in Omaha will vary depending on several factors. Local moves typically cost less than long-distance moves. Size of your move: the more items you have, the more it will cost. Extra services: you might need to pay for additional services such as car shipping, storage, or moving insurance. It's important to get a quote from a reliable moving company before making a decision. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more moving tips, and click the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest videos. Moving doesn't have to be a hassle when you choose the right moving company. At 3 Movers, we're here to help.